Expo. But he will also be your pilot for your Iron Maiden tour of Stark Tower.
Why, Miss Wong, if I were human, I'd be blushing.
No need to blush, Jarvis. We know our guests will be safe with you as their pilot. In fact, Stark Industries based on this.
Miss Wong, please be careful.
Don't worry, it's only a replica of Captain America's original radiation.
Really?
嘅裝備係提供潔淨能源嘅現反應能源器。斯達工業仲揀咗喺香港呢個識飲識食轉數又快嘅頂級城市嚟展示我哋嘅最新成就。香港史達大樓呢座建築奇蹟喺全亞洲。
City of Hong Kong. When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark for your up-close tour of the largest arc reactor in the world. But now, it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today, Jarvis.
唔該晒，何小姐。
Jarvis is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
講得冇錯，我已經被載入鐵甲號嘅運作系統。可以全方位控制飛行汽車，我相信我哋好快就可以起飛。
Thank you, Jarvis. We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
當自動門打開之後，請直接進入艙位，沿住座位通道直入，盡量填滿每一個空位。所有攜帶物品必須收好，放喺你座位下面嘅儲物籃入邊。從座位右邊拉出安全帶，扣入左邊卡位，並向行近嘅飛行人員舉手確認你嘅安全裝置已經扣緊。為確保安全，飛行途中請坐好，保持安全裝置緊扣，並看管好同行嘅小朋友。坐好之後，可以戴起你嘅史達前瞻智能眼鏡，眼鏡將於起飛前啟動。即將開始登機。多謝合作。
Jarvis XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集束激光炮。打爛咗道門，唔好意思。各位乘客，前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技戰。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器回復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know. Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Whoa! Get out of here! Go! 大家唔使驚，
我哋一齊。
Miss me?
史特先生，
One, two, three. Get him on, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史特先生小心。
I am really. Whoa, go, go, go! I thought all trouble stuff. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we gonna take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史特先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness. Well, shoot it out. Yeah. No, leaving. Go, go, go. Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much.
系統冇
Hey, your power's failing. Shoot me the grappling cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史特先生，我哋就嚟到晒度。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I've got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cables. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!